sized computer that plugs into a computer monitor or TV and uses a standard keyboard and mouse. It is built on the latest Broadcom 2837 ARM V8 64-bit processor. It is similar, related to Arduino. It is not that similar, and we will talk about the differences. So, the Raspberry Pi basically has more features built into it, and we will talk about some of those features and we will compare it to the Arduino. It also uses to make IoT devices, but it has other capabilities as well. We'll talk about the fact that it is faster, more memory, that sort of things. But more relevant is that it has an operating system, and that really changes the way in which you uses the Raspberry Pi. So we will talk about that and what you get out of an operating system. Why does that enhances the ability of what you can do with that device? So we will talk about that, and we will compare it to the Arduino, and I will show you the board, show you the different thing it has on it, and give you an idea of what the capabilities are on a Raspberry Pi compared to an Arduino. Let's go.